What's happening, guys? How are you doing today? I'm doing great. I hope you are too. I hope you had an awesome Thanksgiving, and if you went Black Friday shopping or Cyber Monday shopping, I hope you found some good deals. My take on Black Friday and Cyber Monday is kind of like, you know, don't do it, don't splurge, don't do it unless you've had your eyes on something. I kind of feel like it's all a gimmick, you know, like you don't save that much money. Now, of course, you do save some money, not on everything. It's like select items, often like on Amazon and Best Buy and stuff like that. You don't really save much money, and in fact, if you did not have your eyes on something already, and you just decided to go buy something because it's on sale for Black Friday, you're not saving money, you're still spending money. So that's just my take on it. I mean, I know there are some good things out there, like Peter McKinnon presets, but like when you go on like the DJI website, if you wanted the Ronin S, the only thing you're gonna get, I think, is like a free battery. It's nothing like that significant, but I digress. So the real reason why you're here, and thank you so much for joining me. Behind me here, we have the Fositan L4500 200 LED light panels. That is a mouthful. So the actual company Fositan themselves, they've sent me these lights to review. So thank you, Fositan, and I hope you guys enjoy this tech review and slight unboxing. I already unboxed them, but let's go ahead and just pull them out and get started. Judging by the last video, these are the light stands. Quite obvious, especially when you shake it up a little bit. So yeah, traditional light stand. Second stand's going right over here. Once inside you have, oops. Once inside you have your lights. Jeez Louise. The packaging, you kind of have these soft packages, which is better than nothing. Sometimes you don't even get these. So it's definitely a decently tighted case against the soft package, so it's nothing, you know, I'd be careful throwing these around. I wouldn't recommend that.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Here's the actual light. So it comes in the bubble wrap. Once you get that off, you're pretty much set. This is what you have. This is what you can expect to see. Now on the back, we have the brightness. So this will change the intensity of how bright it gets. It goes from 0 to 100, and the left dial will adjust the color temperature from 3200 to 5600, which is pretty standard for most of these LED lights nowadays. On the front of the light, we have a diffuser, which is already in. This is another very common thing you can find on this type of LED panel, is these kind of pop-in diffusers. Let's see if I can pull this out. Just gonna slide it out, I think. You can see right here, we have these little things that pop in and out. There's one on each side. There's one over here too. But this one pops in, and the diffuser is meant to slide out, which it's almost able to. There we go. All right, so it looks like you have to let gravity help you out a little bit. You know, when it's flat like this, it's kind of hard to get out. I noticed just tilting it upside down, letting the diffuser plate kind of fall will make it easier to pull out. Okay, so I'm gonna keep an eye on the monitor here so I can give you guys a really good picture of how this looks. So these are called SMD LEDs, so they're surface mounted diodes. I think that's what they're called. You can tell they're very small, they're very low profile, and they're very flat. And they look quite cool. I mean, these things are actually pretty awesome when you really look at it. A normal LED bulb will come out probably double the length. So what I want to do is take one of these batteries and mount it on the back and turn this guy on. I'm going to tighten these up a little bit. So this is at 5% brightness, 5600 Kelvin color temperature. If I turn this to the left, it's going to introduce the yellow, and the white one's shut off. So now we're at 3200. So by adjusting this dial, and you can see how they transition from off to on and from on to off, we're actually cycling through the color temperature that we need. So that's how we get that yellow or orange, or more correctly put, the warmer temperatures or the cooler temperatures. There's our light, 0%. Here's 4%. Here's cranked all the way up to 100. So let's turn this around. And what I'm going to do now is put our ISO back up on our camera here and show you what the back looks like. As you can see on the back, we have our giant battery. These do come in like the half size. This is pretty thick, if you can see right here. This thing's huge. But you can get the smaller ones that are lighter, of course, too. This is just a more higher capacity one. So if I turn the brightness all the way up, you can see the value change on the little mini screen here. Let's see. Yeah. So put my hand in front, you really see this thing blasting away. If I turn down the color temperature to be a warmer, you can see how the lights change to a warmer from cooler and vice versa. So yeah, the screen, the fact you can put 2 batteries on it, with the AC adapters in this bag, with a light stand, and a second set to go along with everything, that's a pretty good deal. To give you a price point, these retail for about 126 bucks. I am pretty sure about that price. Actually, right now on Amazon, it's currently sold out, so there is no price, but one sells for $62.99. So I imagine it's gonna be around that price point, and that's actually a pretty darn good price for what you get. These have a 120-degree lighting angle, and I think that has to do with those really low profile flat S&D bulbs, because they're so flat and it just has more of a wide range. They have a CRI of 96 plus. It's another thing you can pretty much expect. And 2 super bright, I feel like the Light King right here. 2 extremely bright, very efficient LED panels. Guys, if you noticed, my last video was on another Fositan LED light, kind of like the younger brother. Let me grab you one. We posted last Tuesday on this little guy, so check them out too. I'll put the link if you want something a little more low profile, a little more portable, that are also super bright and really great. Then I'll put that link in the description below, and I'll also link to these lights. They will be available again soon, so guys, check them out if you have your eyes on a new set of LEDs. This is another Tuesday that I'm posting these on. I think I'm gonna try to create that pattern. You know, every Tuesday I want to post a tech review, and then have a little more structure to this, so I can give you guys more regular content. So of course, this week and the week before, well, it's all lighting. Maybe next week we'll do some microphone stuff. Who knows? Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video, hit the like button if it helped you in any way. It helps me a lot. I love it when I see a new like. I love it when I get a new subscriber. It's so motivating, and you know, I'm in it for the bigger picture. So that just about does it, guys. Keep creating, have fun doing it. You need some lights. Here's some lights. Light and audio are probably the 2 most important things in video. I'm not even gonna say probably, I'm gonna say they are. So really think about your lighting, really think about your audio. I'll see you next Tuesday. Peace out, guys.